Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect the jumper cables to battery on your car. Firstly, turn on the engine of the car providing the jump start. Turn the key or press the start button of the vehicle with the dead battery. If the engine starts successfully, turn on an electrical consumer such as headlights or the rear window heater. This prevents voltage surge when removing the cables. Now, remove the black minus clamp from the previously dead car and remove the black minus clamp from the assisting vehicle. Remove the red plus clamp from the previously dead car, then do it also for the assisting vehicle. Take a long drive to help you recharge the battery faster, or alternatively use a battery charger to fully restart power. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.